No? Because if you acknowledge your fear, you can start to chop it off. Okay. Next, stay in the now. What is the meaning of stay in the now? Ang fokusan mo, yung ngayon. Bakit? Kasi bakit ka ba natatakot pag nasa public speaking ka? Natatakot ka kasi iniisip mo kung anong iisipin sa'yo ng ibang tao pagkatapos. Sasabihin, ay, baka hindi sila matawa dun sa joke ko. Ay, baka ma-bore sila. Ay, baka mapahiya ako after. The first, one of the techniques for you to take out your fear when speaking in front of people is stay in the now. Ang isipin mo lang yung ngayon. Kung sino lang yung kausap mo ngayon, kung ano lang yung ginagawa mo ngayon, just stay in the now. No? Okay. And we will do some relaxing exercises. Here are some relaxing exercises. Okay. I want you to sit up straight and make you feel your diaphragm, no? And I want you to breathe in very hard from your diaphragm. And I want you to exhale with your mouth silently. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Ito, matatawa kayo sa susunod na technique. Yung susunod na technique, if you can, you hug your friend. Bakit? Because if you hug your friend, before you speak in front of public, it will raise your, what is the hormone that you have when you exercise? Endorphins? No? I think, yeah. It will raise your endorphins and it will make you feel, no? It will make you feel more calm, no? Okay. So, testing natin yan. Kaibigan niyo ba yung katabi ninyo? Okay. Kung hindi niyo kaibigan yung katabi ninyo, huwag niyo siyang ilayakapin. Delikado yan sa pulis ngayon. Medyo seryoso sila ngayong mga taon daw na to. Okay. So just have a handshake with your friend. Huh? Have a handshake with your friend. Yan, para matanggal ng konti yung ano. And then lastly, project power. Nakita mo na strong ka, no? To make you feel more powerful. Okay. So I want you to, while you're sitting down, I want you to put your right hand on top of your left knee and your left hand in front of your, on top of your right knee. And everybody say, I am confident.
I am confident.
Okay. Now, let's do it this way. I want everybody to open their arms wide. Chest up. And everybody say, I am confident.
I am confident.
Di ba parang mas natural yan?
Yes.
Kesa doon sa nauna. Okay. So, project power, and in turn, it will make you feel more powerful. Hopefully, these two strategies that I've given you will help you while you are doing your public speaking. Okay. Moving on. Malapit na tayo dito sa workplace. Ito na yung mga sikreto na kailangan natin gawin para maging maayos tayo or maganda yung pakikisama natin in terms of the workplace. Communication theory number 2. The more predictable you are, the easier it is for people to talk to you. Oh, okay. The more predictable you are, the easier it is for people to talk to you. Okay. Ang sabi